Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we make your purchasing decisions a whole lot easier and a lot more fun. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. We've got the Ruko U11S on the left and the TENSSENX GPS drone on the right. Two drones, one decision. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's start with the price, shall we? The Ruko U11S will set you back a cool $283. Ouch, that's like 3 months worth of avocado toast. Meanwhile, the TENSSENX GPS drone is a more wallet-friendly $169. With the money you save, you could probably buy a small island, or at least a few more avocado toasts. Now on to the camera. Both drones boast a 4K camera, but Ruko U11S gives you a 90 degrees adjustable angle. Perfect for capturing those breathtaking shots of your neighbor's backyard barbecue. TENSSENX also has a 4K camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable angle. It's like having a GoPro strapped to a flying squirrel. Plus, the 5 GHz FPV transmission means you'll get smooth videos even if you're trying to film in a hurricane. Seriously, don't do that. Reviews for the Ruko U11S highlight its clear footage and stability, while reviewers for the TENSSENX praise its high-quality images and easy mobile app connectivity. Let's talk flight time. Ruko U11S gives you 20 minutes per battery, with 2 batteries included, totaling 40 minutes. That's enough time to fly around your neighborhood and still have enough juice to spy on your ex's new pool party. On the other hand, TENSSENX offers 52 minutes with 2 batteries. That's practically an entire episode of your favorite TV show. Reviewers of the Ruko U11S appreciate its precise handling and quiet operation, while TENSSENX users love its extended battery life. Features. Ruko U11S is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It's beginner-friendly, has optical flow positioning for indoor flights, and GPS positioning for outdoor adventures. It's like it's got your back no matter where you fly. TENSSENX, though, is no slouch. It's got GPS auto-return, altitude hold, and all those fancy modes like headless mode and speed adjust. Plus, it'll follow you around like a loyal puppy. Just don't expect it to fetch your slippers. Reviewers for Ruko U11S love its suitability for both beginners and experienced users, while TENSSENX reviewers praise its intelligent functions and ease of use. Portability is key. Ruko U11S is foldable and compact, about the size of your phone. Perfect for slipping into your pocket and pretending you're James Bond. TENSSENX also folds up nicely and even comes with a carrying case. It's like the drone version of a travel-sized shampoo bottle, but way cooler. Reviewers appreciate the compact design of both drones, making them easy to carry around. Last but not least, customer service. Ruko promises a 30-day return and 90-day free warranty. Plus, their customer support is just a call away if you have any FAA-related questions. So if you crash it into a tree, they've got your back. TENSSENX didn't mention their customer service. But hey, with all those intelligent functions, maybe you won't need it. Fingers crossed! Reviewers of Ruko U11S appreciate the accessible customer support, while TENSSENX users didn't highlight customer service as a significant issue. Summarizing the reviews, Ruko U11S is praised for its stability, ease of use, and clear footage, making it a great value for its price point. TENSSENX GPS drone, on the other hand, is lauded for its high-quality images, extended battery life, and intelligent functions, making it an excellent choice for beginners. So there you have it, folks. The Ruko U11S on the left and the TENSSENX GPS drone on the right. Both are fantastic in their own right, but it all comes down to what you value more: a few extra minutes of flight time or a few extra bucks in your pocket. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick, or if you're just here for the jokes. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying, and may your drones always avoid trees. Product links are in the description.